Dad, am I actually brave? Is it possible to be brave? Because I'm really, really, really afraid. And the father says, it's only possible to be brave if you are afraid and you do what you have to do anyway. And by that definition, Caroline is extremely brave. Because really, you know, always English for her, I mean, it's such a mountain, it's such a difficult task to take on. There is so much to learn, and it can be very overwhelming. But Caroline kept pushing through it, kept trying, and I think that she's made a lot of progress, so I hope we can all give her a nice round of applause.
For all new students, my name is Carol. I came from Germany and I was 5 weeks here. I would a special thank you for my class, Romina, Alessandra, Sonia, and Mohammed. No idea where's Mohammed? Okay. And a special thanks for all teachers. All teachers make a great job, and I think it's not so easy sometimes with students. Okay. I have a special thank you for Akiko. Moment. You never lost your petitions to teach me new words, yes? And now in Japan, for only you, Akiko, Anadia no okagede watashi wa yakuza no tango wo manabi mashita. Arigato. Okay, now I have a special nouns from my country, from a special quote from my country, Albert Einstein, yes? And Albert Einstein says, anyone who never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Okay, the next sentence is a little bit ironic. Going to Montreal was the best mistake of my life. Okay, I tried to learn something new and it was a good experience. No, actually, it was the best experience, and I've waited for too long. I waited definitely too long for it. All other students, all people in the world still will do it. Go to Cheers because
Everybody.
we are doing we had not what we say. My journey begins now new, and in this sense, goodbye, au revoir, arrivederci, adios, sayonara, Mohammed Masal Salama, and auf Wiedersehen.